Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to be talking about the best type of rugged laptop to use for construction work, on-site type work. Now let's take a look at what that involves. Well, construction work is going to be dusty, grimy, sandy, hot in the heat of summer or maybe the cold of winter. It's going to be dropped. It's going to be wet, muddy, grimy. I mean, it is some of the most harsh environment to bring a standard laptop in. You bring a standard laptop in an environment like that, you're going to have a very expensive brick on your hands. It will stop working. It'll grind to a halt. That's why you need a fully rugged laptop to go into that environment. Now, what is a fully rugged laptop? Well, that would be a laptop that was designed at the standard, the military standard, which is MIL-STD-810H. That's the standard that rugged laptops are built to. They have an IP rating typically of 6.5, which means that you can spray water on them or throw dirt on the unit or drop it in a dusty unit. It can drop from a 6-foot height and hit the ground and still work. It has a heater on the SSD so that it heats up the unit and can operate in extreme cold. It also is designed to operate in extreme heat. So you get a unit like the CF33. And by the way, if you want one of these, check out my website at bobjohnson.com. This unit is fully rugged. It's got an IP of 6.5. And another feature that you're going to want in your rugged laptop is a daylight readable screen. There's nothing worse than being out in the middle of the sunlight trying to look at the screen and it looks faded and you can't read it. With these daylight readable screens, you won't have that problem. Another option is you'll be wearing gloves. You want a glove-friendly touchscreen so that you can keep your glove on and still use the touchscreen. There's also something called rain touchscreen. So that means that if it's drizzling rain and you're still on your laptop trying to work, the rain will not interrupt you using the touchscreen on your unit. The CF33, for example, is a unit that can do everything I just talked about. You can also use the FZ40 is another good, or the Getac B360 is another good example of a fully rugged laptop. Fully rugged laptops, though, are very, very expensive if you buy them brand new. If you're on a budget, you can look at the Durabook line of laptops. We do sell those brand new at bobjohnson.com. And you can get away with a lower budget, but you're still going to pay between $2,000 and $4,000 for a brand new unit. My advice, go refurb. If you go with a refurb like this CF33, for example, you're under $500. These start under $500. Brand new, you're looking at around $3,000. So if budget's important, look at your refurb units and don't bring a standard laptop to the site. You'll have an expensive brick. Take a look at the refurbs. I'm sure you'll find something that fits your needs and your budget. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like this video. Hey, leave me some comments. I really like to hear from you guys. And subscribe to my channel, please. Other than that, I'll see you next week.